What's for dinner? That's the age-old question. When you're out here camping, you can go from everything from something simple, like a little skewered hot dog, roasted over the flame. Doesn't really get much better than that sometimes. Other times you want a little more than that though. So tonight, we're gonna cook a tomahawk pork chop with something new we've never tried called No Yolk noodles. I don't know, they sounded good. We're gonna mix up some Cajun garlic butter sauce to go with the noodles. Have that along with our pork chop. A little Cajun seasoning on the pork. So we got the Dutch oven warming up there on the fire. We're gonna cook our noodles in it. Pour some water in there and boil the noodles. Let's get cooking. When you're out on a campsite, it can be anything from a roasted hot dog with a stick over the fire, all the way up to a gourmet meal. And tonight we're gonna do a little bit, leaning more on the gourmet side. Normally I don't do a huge fancy meal, but I found these no yolk noodles. These are dumplings. And I thought, hey, that seems like a pretty good product to use. We'll try cooking a meal with it tonight. We got a tomahawk pork chop. Wait till you see this thing. Look at that pork chop. Man, look at that guy. That's gonna be amazing. We've got some Cajun spice and some pork spice to put on that chop. Liberally apply it. This seasoning has all kinds of stuff in it, including brown sugar. Always goes good with pork. Also, we have a little bit of Cajun spice we're gonna put on there. Because this meal is called Cajun noodles and pork chop, for lack of a better name, I guess. Oh, look at this pork chop, y'all. I think it's massive. No way will I be able to eat all that. We will try our best. Excited about these noodles. A friend of mine told me about them and thought that might be a good camp meal, and I believe she's right. We're going to give it a try. First thing I think we got to do is get those noodles in some water boiling. So let's do that. Okay, we'll let those cook for 8 to 10 minutes. We're going to put a garlic Cajun butter sauce on these noodles. That ought to be good. This is a butter sauce. We're going to use a lot of butter. I never said it was going to be healthy. It is 100, well, 90 something degrees now out here. So there is that. But butter, Cajun seasoning, plenty of Cajun seasoning. Also, we're going to saute some onion and peppers. Because it's going to be good, that's why. I'm a firm believer in when you're out camping to get everything pre-cut, pre-measured. That way you're not messing with it. We'll hold off a minute to put the garlic in. Don't want to burn it. Right now, let's put that over the fire and heat that up. So, the sauce sure looks good. Take some of our no yolk noodles. You know, I think the beauty of these things is even if you overcook them, they still hold together very well. And they soak up the sauce. Very good. I mean, that looks amazing. Now for good measure, we're going to add some Boursin cheese. Just a little bit. Stuff can be pretty strong. And no more than we're putting in here. If we were using the whole pot, we'd put the whole thing in. But just for a small little helping like this, that'll be just the creaminess this sauce needs. Look at that. What a beautiful dish that is. No yolk noodles, Boursin cheese, butter, garlic, Cajun sauce. Why not? It looks good. All right, let's check our Tomahawk pork chop. All right, y'all. What an amazing meal that looks like. Let's try some of this no yolk Cajun pasta, garlic, Boursin cheese pasta sauce. No yolk noodles at the campsite. It's a good camp meal. Easy, hard to mess up. Even a non-chef like myself can cook them, and they're very good. Those are really good noodles. That sauce is rich from the cheese. Just enough Cajun kick makes it spicy. Let's try this Tomahawk pork chop. Wow. That thing is monstrous. So juicy. Perfectly cooked. This meal is a gourmet meal, fit for a king. Well, remember guys, when you're out here camping, sometimes simple is the way to go. Other times, if you got it, go ahead and have you a gourmet meal. And if you're going to do that, I recommend using these no yolk noodles. Embrace nature, push your limits, but most of all, stay outdoorsy. Thanks for watching.
Boots hit the trail at the break of day.